I had no idea how I was going to do this project when I started it last night. I've had this jar on my bench for probably 3 to 4 months, probably more. It's been on my bench so long that I'm tired of it being in my way. Plus, I bought it to put bath salts in and would really like to be able to get this finished so I can have a lid for this jar that I bought. This is the first time doing anything like this, so there was a lot of measuring going on back and forth, trying to make sure the lid would fit correctly into the jar. I had ordered some 4.5-inch gaskets that I was hoping would work for this project, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to attach it. I've seen how they've done it on other wooden jars, so I had an idea, but I had to try to make sure it would fit as well as be in the correct spot to seal the jar. I used my 1/8-inch parting tool to put a little groove on that tenon so the gasket will fit and hold on. At this point, I was trying to figure out how I was going about the next step because I finished the bottom part of the jar, but I still have the top to do. And I wasn't quite sure how I was going to go about that. So I decided to go ahead and put a tenon on where the top of the jar will be. So then I can put a recess on the bottom of the jar and be able to flip it back and forth. At some point here, while I was doing the recess, my camera shut off. So you can see where I put the decoration to kind of make it look purposeful that there is a hole there. And then this is pretty much how I went about decorating and putting in the recess. So I used my recess tool and then used the decorator tool and the carbide tool to put in the rings. I had an idea of how I wanted the lid to look, but wasn't quite sure how it was going to come out. This is where I let the wood talk and just went with the flow, and it came out pretty nice. I really enjoy the spiraling tool. It really brings everything up a notch and makes it look so much nicer. This is the first time I've ever worked with pink eucalyptus, and I had no idea what to expect. And I was quite surprised when I put the oil on, and it looks a lot like Padook. It is really beautiful, even more so in person. I'm sad I actually threw a chunk in my fireplace over last winter. I didn't show, but off camera, I cut off the little tab on the gasket because it was getting in the way. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm so excited to be able to put this in my bathroom and finally get to use it. It came out way better than I thought it would, and I'm so excited that the gasket actually worked. Again, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.